A disciple went to his guru and asked, "What should the people do to be happy?" The guru asked him if he had a viewpoint on this. The disciple thought for a moment and said, "If the basic needs are being met, like one gets food to eat, a place to live, a good job, and security, one would be happy." On hearing this, the guru said nothing and asked the disciple to follow him. He stood at a gate, asked the disciple to open it. The disciple opened the gate to see a chick hatchery where there were hundreds of hens and chicken. All of them were housed in a big cage. "Why do you show me this?" asked the disciple. The guru asked him, "Do these hens get meals?" "Yes." "Do they have a place to live?" "Yes, sort of," says the disciple. "Are they safe from cats and dogs?" "Yes." "Do these hens have a job?" Kind of, yes. They are occupied to produce eggs." "Are they happy?" was the next question. The disciple looked at the hens closely to come up with an inference when Guruji asked him to follow the guru to a field where there were again a few hens and chicks, not in a cage, without the feed, but hunting and fending for food on their own while playing around with one another. "Do these hens look happy?" asked the guru. The disciple found the question illogical as he observed that the situation and surroundings were different. These hens are living naturally, eating on their own, look healthy, and he said, "Perhaps yes." "Yes, these hens are happy. They are definitely happy," said Guruji. "The hens at the hatchery have all the things that you said were essential to be happy. Their basic necessities, food, housing, are being taken care of. They have a job as well to produce eggs. They are safe and secure. But are they happy? Compared to them, the hens in the field have to find their own food, have to arrange for a place and to take care of their own security with chicks, and still they are happy." Guruji advised that we have to make a choice. Either we can live in a cage like the hens in the hatchery with no identity, or we can live in the open field like others that live a life of liberty under risk, but can look for infinite possibilities and opportunities. You asked for happiness. This is my answer. You cannot be happy just breathing. You should have the courage to live and succeed within yourself to be happy. So, to be happy, do not look for effortless, comfortable feed like the hens in a hatchery.